While it may be possible to remove the liners with the vehicle on the ground and the wheels on, it's much easier if you first safely lift and support the vehicle and remove the wheel from the area you're working in. For additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Let's start on the front. The front wheel well liner is one complete piece. To remove it, begin by removing the four 10mm nuts on the engine side of the liner, indicated by the red arrows. The nuts should be plastic with large body washers behind them, red arrows. On the rear of the liner, there are three 10mm screws, red arrows, and a push-pull pin where the liner meets the body molding, yellow arrow. Remove the three 10mm screws. Use a trim removal tool and remove the push-pull pin, red arrow. On the front of the liner, there are two 10mm nuts, red arrows, along with a Phillips head screw holding the air diverter in place, yellow arrow. There should be two fasteners holding the lower part of the liner to the front splitter, green arrow. Remove all these fasteners. With all the fasteners off, you can pop the liner out towards the hub and remove the top section from the fender lip. The liner will then drop out from the wheel well in one large piece, red arrow. There is no liner in the rear wheel well, just undercoating. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.